Hello everyone, in this video you will learn how to create, rig, and animate eyes for your 2D Blender grease pencil characters. So we begin by creating a new layer for the eyes. Using the circle tool, draw the eyes. Create another layer for the pupils. Switch to edit mode to assign a fill material. On the pupil layer, turn on mask. Then click the plus icon targeting the eye layer. This enables the pupil to appear only on the inside of the eye. Create a new layer for the eyelids. Reduce the subdivisions to 0, then use the box tool to draw the eyelids. Select all the points, then right-click, then convert type to Bezier. Now adjust the position of the eyelids. Press Shift-D to duplicate, then press S, Z-1 to flip on the Z-axis. Add a mask on the eyelid layer targeting the eyes. Now the eyelids appear only on the inside of the eyes. In order to get the eye outlines like in Rick and Morty, press Shift-D to duplicate the eyes, then press M to move to a new layer. Name Eye Outline. Create a new material for the eye outline without fill. Then assign to the eye outline. Create a new layer for the eyebrow. Using the Line tool, draw a straight line. Select Stroke, then convert type to Bezier. Select Uniform Thickness to increase the thickness of the stroke. Select the strokes in Edit mode, then press Shift-D to duplicate. Press S, X-1 to flip the eyebrow on the X-axis. Go to Add, then Armature to add a bone. In Edit mode, press Shift-D to duplicate the bones. Press F2 to name the bones. Make 3 bones for the eyebrow, then parent the bones. Make another 3 bones for the top and the bottom eyelids. Make sure to also parent them. Press F3, then batch rename, then replace the zeros to remove the zeros. In order to get the bones on the left side, select the bones, then right-click, then select Symmetrize. Also, create bones for the right and left pupils, then parent them to the pupil bone and the head. Select the parent bones, then while pressing Alt uncheck Deform. This is so that the bones' names won't appear on the vertex group section and won't deform the character. Now select the stroke object, then Shift, select the bones, then press Ctrl P, then select Parent with empty groups. In Edit mode, select the eyes, then parent to the head bone. Parent the pupils to the pupil bones. Select the top points of the eyelid, then parent to the top left eyelid bone. Select the left point, then parent to its corresponding bone. Do the same for the other bone. Points, then parent to the bottom eyelid bone. For the eyes on the right side. Test the rig in pose mode to see if it's working. Go to Settings, then set Stroke Depth to 3D. This enables you to move the strokes in 3D space. Grab the eyelids and eye outline a little bit to the front. Adjust the points of the eyelids to meet at the center of the lids for better deformation. Test the rig, then using the Bone Widget tool, assign bone shapes and colors to the bones. To create poses, open the Asset browser, then create a catalog where you will save the poses. Set the pose name. Catalog, then create the pose. Now the pose is saved. Click on the pose icons to animate.